So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So here we've got an Amex Gold. So after 2 years ownership, I'm going to tell you my humble opinion in under 2 minutes. So basically, it's a great actual card. You get rewards. So every time you spend money with this card, you get Amex points rewards. But we're not going to go into that, which is obviously great. I'm going to go into the fee. So you've got a €16 fee every month, but that's totally worth it because you do get it back. How do you get it back? Well, basically, you've got to access yearly to a VIP, let's say, at the airport or at a lounge now, so you can get that back with these two VIPs passes. Then you can also get Amex points. You can spend that money, so basically every time you spend money with your Amex, you can spend the points back, and that's also obviously in a year you get back much more than the 160-ish euros you spend in the Amex Gold. Other than that, you get insurance, you get every time you fly, you get a cover, and that's pretty much amazing. And I just think that in general, having a card which you can just phone call instead if you've got any issues. I also use a lot American Express. Let's say if I want to go on a trip and I want to book, let's say, a hotel and a car, I use the American Express service, the actual experience is great. If you've got any trouble, I had some issues because I was going to do a flight to a place where really right now you couldn't actually go, and I got my money refunded with no issues. So it's just a guarantee that things are going to go well, not just American Express but also American Express holidays and anything that has to do with just curating the experience. So my humble opinion is that the €16 is totally worth it. Now, any perks? What I would say that the perks is if you do not use your credit cards daily. I mean, if you do not spend, not necessarily I always pay rigorously every month what I've spent, but it is true that sometimes now there might be any issues whatsoever. In case you do not use it at all, you're just you live in a place where you do not spend much money, then maybe it isn't really worth it. Other than that, I think it's pretty much amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think.